performance to the targeted tissues. We're getting the biotin to the scalp and to the skin like no other biotin formula can do.
And the data is very clear. This is going to reinvigorate your hair and increases thickness, like I said, in as little as 3 weeks. It increases density. But Jan, this is not just about hair. This is also about supporting nails. And I want you to spend a little bit of time talking about one of your favorite benefits here, which relates back to the skin. In this study, they also looked at what this can do for the health and the cosmetic appearance of skin, not just hair. So what did they find here?
Yeah, and Jay, we should point out the My Biotin research shows that it works in virtually all the women. They looked at 90 women in our clinical study from ages 21 to 65, a double-blind clinical study, and it's all about beauty from within. Of course, we've delivered on that thicker hair in just 3 weeks, so that is the big breakthrough. But when it comes to the skin, the benefits for the skin were equally as remarkable. We're talking about reduced wrinkles, a decrease in fine lines around the face and around the eyes. We boosted the skin texture. So what actually is even skin texture? That means we increased the skin smoothness so the women look more youthful. We saw big benefits for healthy, strong nails. So just to recap here, this patented My Biotin technology, 40 times the biosolubility versus regular biotin, one simple pill. One of the people we work with, Dr. Daniel Campos, is an anti-aging doctor. He's the director of the Ageless Forever Institute, and he says the results he has seen are simply amazing. He's never seen a formula that you can take from the inside out that can do things that all the creams and all the lotions in the world simply can't do.
Yeah, and one of the things that it can do is actually something that in and of itself is a really big thing right now, a very hot trend, and it relates back to collagen and collagen formation. So Jen, talk about how My Biotin might actually be able to help the body promote more collagen, maybe even keep some more collagen. How does that work?
I'm so glad I almost forgot about that, Jason. But, you know, what makes My Biotin so unique is we're using these efficacious dosages of biotin and silicon within the complex, and it's a patented complex that uses specifically a bonded arginine silicate and magnesium biotinate. Now, people don't need to remember this, of course, but because of this patented combination and the synergy, we're delivering so much more of the active ingredients to these targeted tissues in the scalp and to the skin. We're improving blood flow to the scalp and to the follicle, and this ultra bioavailability with this arginine as a cofactor, it actually boosts nitric oxide, which is great for circulation and healthy hair and skin. But to your point, the silicon in this complex is a trace mineral that delivers strength and flexibility to the connective tissues in the body. So we're promoting the formation of collagen from the inside out. And yes, we're boosting that collagen, so it's great for the skin, as great as it is for the scalp and for the...
Go again, just stop.
We give out the 800 number and tell people how to get started. For people just tuning in, we're talking about My Biotin. It's a product that we guarantee can give you thicker, denser hair in just 3 weeks. It's also really great for your skin. But why don't you recap here, Jan? How does this work, and what are the main benefits here, especially for our hair?
Yeah, let's do that. So 3 big takeaways. We're talking about thicker hair in 3 weeks because, number one, we have 40 times the biosolubility with our patented biotin complex. Getting that biotin to the targeted tissues in the scalp and the follicle, generating that thicker hair in just 3 weeks it's a game changer. I mean, that's what the women are telling us. And there's something called terminal hair, which is your thick, long, pigmented hair found on the scalp. And then there's something called vellus hair. And vellus hair is the thin, wispier hair. As we get older, Jay, you can imagine what happens. We have less of that desirable, thicker terminal hair, and we have more of the vellus hair, which is that lighter and less colored hair. So guess what? In the clinical study, in just 3 weeks, the ratio of the thicker hair to the thinner hair was remarkably improved. The benefits with My Biotin happen in just 3 weeks. It happens for the hair. It happens for the skin, too. We see a reduction in fine lines, improved just $9.95. Let's do free shipping, and let the ladies and the guys that are curious about this put this to the test and see that this is real, so that you can enjoy a healthier, more beautiful you.
Yeah, Jen, let me tell everyone how to get started here. Folks, write this number down. 1-800-500-1390. 1-800-500-1390. Give us a call right now at Purity Products. Our operators are standing by ready to fill your order. And what a deal we have for you today. We are going to let you try a full 30-day supply of this amazing My Biotin for less than $10. It's just $9.95. Like I said, you will see a difference in the thickness of your hair in just 3 weeks. So this is more than enough time to put this to the test. You do it for less than $10. We're even going to give you free shipping. Even better than that, we've got an irresistible bonus bottle as a free gift for you today. It's our amazing Essential Immunity Vitamin C formula. Vitamin C goes so perfectly with this because it supports collagen. We talked about collagen a little bit earlier. If you are deficient in vitamin C, it's not good as far as making collagen goes. Collagen, as you know, so important for your skin. So what a package, what a bundle we have for you today. All this for less than $10. Even the $9.95 is 100% money back guaranteed. So you have absolutely nothing to lose. And of course, the vitamin C is your gift to keep no matter what. Just give Purity Products a call and see what My Biotin can do for your skin, for your nails, and especially for your hair. In another minute, we're going to get into another superstar ingredient in My Biotin that we haven't even touched on yet. So this story gets even better. But write this phone number down right now. 1-800-500-1390. 1-800-500-1390. Give us a call right now. Now, Jan, people just tuning in, I kind of just went over it, but we really have a breakthrough product here. It's a new and enhanced form of the vitamin biotin. And as many of our listeners know, biotin is the basis of all or most of those so-called hair, skin, and nails products that are out there. But the problem is the research on biotin is frankly a little bit mixed. This is a breakthrough because it has a patented technology that shows 40 times better bioavailability in biotin, which makes all the difference in the world when they look at it clinically, and they can see all of these tremendous benefits. So, Jan, for people just tuning in, when you start taking My Biotin, what is going to happen to your hair, skin, and nails?
Jay, as you hinted at, the number one game-changing benefit for the My Biotin formula, and again, this is one simple capsule a day, is that you will enjoy thicker hair in just 3 weeks. But, Jay, you and I were speaking earlier today with Sarah P., and she's the Director of Research and Development, and one of her big takeaways was that regular biotin has been around for decades. It's like, where's the technological breakthrough there? It really has mixed reviews, and there's issues with biotin bioavailability. So this is the first big innovation in the biotin space in perhaps 2 decades. We've boosted the biosolubility by 40 times with this patented technology. That's where all the excitement comes from, because as you get more activity
is
flames.
absolutely locking in
Stupid
moisture at
American.
your skin surface. And I love the mechanism of action because what it seems to be able to do is help your skin to hang on to a very special molecule that we've been talking about, again, at Purity Products for a very long time, hyaluronic acid.
Yeah, and Jay, before you jump into that hyaluronic acid, because I want you to explain that it's a key component of how astaxanthin works so well, but I want people to think about the plum and the prune, right? As we get older, what happens? We lose that moisture, and our skin, instead of having that plumpiness, looking like the plum, for example, can start to kind of degrade that collagen and that hyaluronic acid. We begin to look a little more like the prune. That's where those wrinkles come in. But explain how that works.
Right. Well, that's exactly it. And what makes HA really so special, Jan, is that it can hold 100 times its own weight in water. So HA is one of the things that really keeps your skin plump and hydrated. Like you said, the plum rather than... Yeah, Jan, let me just point out that they did a very interesting in vitro study that showed that astaxanthin really seems to be able to help your skin cells, they're called keratinocytes, to make more HA. So this astaxanthin is going to help create this strong barrier to prevent water loss at the skin surface. So it actually helps to maintain and retain that HA within the skin so that you're getting that younger looking skin, not just with this patented biotin that we're talking about, but also this astaxanthin that's really taking this whole thing way beyond just the benefits of this already incredible biotin technology. It's like a match made in heaven. And you had mentioned Dr. Campos a few minutes ago. We were talking to him a couple of weeks back, and he always talks about how he sees patients every single day who have obvious worn and damaged skin from sun exposure, which he considers probably the biggest threat to our skin from a cosmetic point of view. And this magic molecule, astaxanthin, can make such a tremendous difference here, Jan. There's such great data on how astaxanthin can help prevent some UV damage. Why don't you get into that?
Let's do that. And again, it's this one simple pill concept with the My Biotin Pro-Clinical Matrix in there, plus the astaxanthin. The astaxanthin to help us manage sun protection from the inside out. Of course, you should be using sunscreen if you're out in the sun, but astaxanthin has this unique ability to combat the age-accelerating influences of photoaging, as well as other environmental and lifestyle factors. So we're protecting your cells against oxidation caused by environmental stress in terms of UV damage and sun exposure, again from the inside out. Astaxanthin, Jason, has this ability to reduce the appearance of age and sunspots. Most people don't know that.
Yes. So, Jan, for people just tuning in, why don't you give us the overview of this amazing My Biotin product and this amazing array of cosmetic benefits that it can deliver really fast for people?
And Jan, remember we were speaking to Dr. Campos, and he was saying this is a professional grade formulation because it's backed by the science. He's thinking about his clients at Purity Products. We're thinking about our customers, and we want a biotin that really works. There's so much sketchy, kind of weak science out there on the regular biotin. We have Ivy League institutions saying regular biotin, the results are inconclusive. So that concerns me. I have, like I mentioned, I have 4 daughters. I knew we could do better with a biotin that's backed by clinical research, that has the patents, that has the science. And in the clinical study, you can see the women where the hair is thinning, and now all of a sudden it's thicker. What a relief. You know what kind of stress it is, Jay? For men and for women, when your hair is thinning and you want to look your best, it is a major source of grief. Now we've got something.
All right, Jan, we're almost out of time here. Any final thoughts real quick?
Jay, the breakthrough today is simple. We can deliver thicker hair. We can help you grow thicker hair in as little as 3 weeks. If we had 100 women in the audience and we asked them, who is interested in thicker hair in 3 weeks? Who would like to have more beautiful skin, fewer fine lines and wrinkles, better skin texture? Jason, I think virtually every woman would raise their hand, but people can be skeptical. How do people know it's going to work for them? Purity Products says, let's do the $9.95 30-day starter bottle so you can see and experience how this works for you. This is the My Biotin
Can't believe
Pro
that's
Clinical Formula. It's the
stupid.
formula
American
Dr. Campos uses
like
in
he's
the
from the-
Ageless Forever Institute because it works.
Yeah, like he's from
and we're
the,
telling you this one simple pill is going to make a
countryside,
major
you know,
difference in how
rednecks
good you look and
tried
how
to
good you
hit me
feel.
just now.
See and experience it for yourself.
Bitch.
Okay, Jan, great show as always. I will catch up with you later.
Pleasure. Thank you.
All right, folks, do you have noticeable wrinkles and fine lines? Has your skin lost its youthful and radiant appearance? And what about your hair? Is it as thick and lustrous as you really want it to be? If this sounds like you, we've got the perfect solution. Like Jan said, it's called My Biotin. It's backed by a patented technology. It's backed by multiple clinical studies on the 2 ingredients in this amazing My Biotin formula. And we're telling you it's going to help you fight wrinkles, revitalize your aging skin, and best of all, give you noticeably thicker hair in as little as 3 weeks. That's right, 3 weeks, and you will notice thicker, denser hair in the mirror. We absolutely guarantee it. And the best part is it's less than $10 as part of Purity's special weekend radio promotion. It's just $9.95.
Driving too
That
fast,
is a full 1 month
turning
supply,
to,
so
you
you
know,
really
like,
get to put this to
making
the
a turn
test.
like that.
Even
Come
better
on.
than that, we're going to give you free
People are
shipping,
so
and even better
inappropriate when
than
they
that,
drive.
we're
They don't
including
they don't
a free
care
bonus
about
bottle
their
of
own
our
lives
incredible
or the lives
Essential
of other
Immunity
people.
Super Formula.
But
It's
these
our vitamin C
whatever,
formula with our
people just
patent-pending
fucking
vitamin C.
insane.
It's going to support your immunity. It really is a great free
Insane
gift.
drivers
All this
like
for
that.
less than $10. The vitamin C is your gift to keep
Very
no matter
illegal,
what. But you
very
have to call us
unsafe.
right now.
You cannot
The
be
number
like
to call
that
is
at all.
1-800-500-1390.
But if you want to kill somebody, go right ahead.
That's
All you stupid drivers out there.
1-800-500-1390.
Kill
And again, when you
somebody,
call
that's
up that
all on
number,
you.
we're going to shoot you out
Yep.
a
All
30-day
on
starter
you.
bottle of My Biotin and vitamin C. And again, free shipping for less than $10. Give us a call right now. Do not miss this offer. 1-800-500-1390. And again, with Super Saver, that's our subscribe and save program. You never miss a day. You can cancel anytime. There is absolutely...